This is going to be part of a new segment called Jolene Answering Stupid Questions from Facebook. So here is the question is, why do these cost so much, right? They're like $9,000-$10,000 and people are like, oh, that's the price of a car. And like, yeah, we know that. We also don't set the prices, people. God. So anyways, I'm going to respond to this comment. Ding! Right there. These are 300% more than China if you got it directly from China. Well, no shit, Sherlock. So let's talk about it because I don't care. That's why this is my new segment called Answering Stupid Questions. So sir, when you buy something from anywhere and it comes from China, there are very many steps in between you as a consumer and the factory that made it. There's the factory, then there's the company that designed whatever it was, and then there's the shipping company, and then there's the imports, and then there's the warehouse, and then there's the retailer. There are many steps in between getting something from China. And yes, if you buy something from Temu, right? It's still not directly from the factory. It's from a company that buys from the factories. Like 101 stuff that I got to explain to you guys. So let's put it into other terms. A car, you buy a Toyota. Your Toyota costs $50,000. And you're like, oh my God, why does this car cost $50,000? Well, sir, because you could probably buy that car for whatever the manufacturing cost is, less their markup. Like the manufacturer's actual bare cost. It's probably like $10,000. Right? Maybe it's even $5,000, but that factory is entitled to a profit for the manufacturing they did and the company they built to manufacture that Toyota for you. And then it's going to go through Toyota World, and then it's going to get distributed each country and then to each dealer. So the point is when you buy one of these from a retailer, we don't set the prices. Do we have a margin? Do we make a profit? Yeah, because that's how business works. That's how the lights are on. That's how this person is taking a video of me, because I can pay him a wage because you paid some profit on everything. It's like Walmart. I don't know why people think that a company that isn't publicly owned is not entitled to make a profit. So it's just an opinion that we make too much profit, whatever it is. But again, these are people that ding, 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 sitting behind their computer and need some education. So I'm going to give it to you. So I digress. If you need a part for your Toyota and you bought it directly from the factory, do you think you're going to be able to get a part for it? Do you think that you can just call up and say, hey, you know what? My window's not turning up or turning on. You know what China's going to say? Nothing, because you're not going to have a phone number for the factory that you bought it from. That's why you have dealers. We are here to support you. We have a service department. We have people that answer the phones. We're here to help you. And that comes with a cost. A cost that we don't even make. Have I mentioned that? I don't make the prices of these. We follow exactly what each supplier wants us to sell them for. So stupid questions are going to get my ranting. And this is a section that is separate from the rest of the Ride the Wind. This is simply Jolene's episodes that will continue because I feel better doing this, and I hope you enjoyed and educated yourself for those who needed educating. Oh, I feel better.